Gringos don't like bicycles.
They like Mexicans right now. Dicen chamayores. Why you don't like Mexicans?
A little bit.
No, no, no. He says the gringos, the white, don't like Mexicans right now.
Yeah.
They don't like nobody. They don't like. Then dip me underway. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry.
It's a different group.
But how much is it?
25 and another 20. Thank you so much. Have a good night.
Hey guys, so I'm pulling into the casino to pick up a couple, taking them home to Mace, and it was one of the most nerve-wracking rides that I have ever had to pick up, um, because of the hiccups. You should hear how this guy was sounding, and every single time he did the hiccups, it made me think he was about to throw up. So let me know what you think, and if you're afraid, if you're a driver, would you be afraid of someone doing the hiccups in the back of your car the whole ride? Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you. The ride was also quite entertaining. You got to watch to the end. Hello, sir.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Okay. Get guys ready to seatbelt. Get out of the way. God, I'm holding traffic, but it don't look like he's ready to go yet either. You ready? Not yet. Yeah, the mirror dress was going. You guys are going to.
Turn left, then turn left.
What was that?
Please use your seatbelt for your safety.
Oh my God, you're not gonna throw up or nothing.
I hope not.
Stop it. I think you did a little bit of water.
No, no, drive too fast, okay?
No, I'm serious. It's like not a joke.
Just ahead, turn right on North 92nd Street. And they sound like that. The hiccups sound like that. That's so scary. I don't. Come on, man. Turn right on North 92nd Street. Just ahead, turn right on East McKellis Road. Turn right on East McKellis Road.
Oh, I'm gonna turn it down so I can put you on the video. Let's go on here. I'm gonna say these are the terrifying sounds that drivers hate to hear.
In a quarter mile, turn left on Arizona 101 route south using the left lane.
Jenny. Bye. Yes.
I'm good. You got it to off the tower.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my God. We were standing by the blackjack table for 30 minutes, but he was fine. He hasn't drank for the past 30 minutes either. So we stopped for a beer. So do it every time you drink? Like at 1 o'clock? That's what I'm doing. Like at 1 o'clock? Yeah. But he hasn't drank for over an hour. I don't know. The casinos, they have serving liquor at the same time? Yeah, there's one left. At 1 o'clock. I did not know that. He hasn't drank like for an hour. So he could be,
I'm fine. Okay. Right hand.
Turn left on Arizona 101
yeah,
Route
because I had
South.
hiccups too, but it wouldn't wait. Okay. Well, I don't even know if I could have took two of y'all. Both of y'all with the hiccups. He has the worst case. The worst case of the hiccups I've ever heard. I told him, hold your breath, but he's like, it can't.
Okay, then try. Yeah, give me try.
I'm like, hold your breath. Still while he holding his breath.
Yeah. No. What? Betul. Vale, propina pues.
I wonder if he fall asleep. That's all. If he fall asleep, it's bad. No, he'll fall asleep. But it's weird. Like, I don't know how long people will last. They'll fall asleep. So he doesn't fall asleep.
You keep driving.
Oh, you keep driving. Once he lays on his side or whatever, he'll probably start snoring and then he'll go away.
Yes.
In 2 miles, take right exit 55B toward US Highway 60 East, US Highway 60 West, Phoenix.
No.
No, my night has been crazy. I just hate it. I hate the whole day. I don't know. At least you guys are entertaining and funny. I mean, he's scary. He's scary, but kind of funny. Like, that's the sound I hate to hear. Want us to leave the casino. We're like, we gotta go. It's almost 2 o'clock. We gotta go. So you guys are the life of the party. Yeah. I was like, no, we're coming, guys. Yeah. And this guy over here with the hiccups.
Yeah,
With the worst case of the hiccups.
No worry for me.
No.
I'm fine, yes.
I'm fine.
I don't know what happened yesterday. Our friends got like a party bus. Oh. That was crazy, yeah. Oh boy.
In a half mile, take right exit 55B toward US Highway 60 East, US Highway 60 West, Phoenix, using the right lane.
Separate Ubers. Yeah. You guys just wanted to take off? Yeah. Well, we all got Ubers home. Oh, okay. Yeah, we didn't want to drive.
Because I can't get
Take right exit 55B toward US Highway 60 East, US Highway 60 West, Phoenix. Then take left exit 55A onto US Highway 60 East.
Sometimes it'll be comfortable. Yeah.
Important directions. Using the right lane, take left exit 55A onto US Highway 60 East.
three situations. Yeah, one was control, one went into his helmet, a motorcycle driver. He was out with his friends, and his friends say he's too drunk to drive home, so just go with them. And so he gets in the Uber with his friends with his helmet, and oh, everything goes into his helmet. I'm like, you gotta go, you gotta get out.
Era un marrano.
The, high five.
I don't have it with hiccup es
Oh my God, it's not. It's not. And his is so aggressive. He has like his hiccups is
okay, let me try
vicious.
this.
Hold his breath. Hold his breath. That was for me. I hold my breath and it went away.
He's holding his breath.
I'm wondering how you do that. The light.
It's just a touch.
Oh, okay.
Touch.
I had a water before he didn't have no water.
I can't help it. I got a water bottle right here, but man, I give you a Red Bull.
No, I do that.
That'll keep him up all night. He's dancing around with the hiccups. So really, like if he don't go to sleep, they'll just keep going. The
No,
hiccups.
he'll probably go to sleep.
Lo que pudiera de ahí. Hey. Hey.
I'm fine.
In 2 miles take right exit 182 toward Gilbert Road.
I think he's had pickups for an hour.
That's a long time.
Yeah.
In a half mile take right exit 182 toward Gilbert Road using the right lane.
Maybe.
Oh. So you think because he stopped drinking, that's why they did it?
Take right exit 182 toward Gilbert Road. Then turn right on South Gilbert Road. In a quarter mile, turn right on South Gilbert Road using the right two lanes. Turn right on South Gilbert Road.
So I don't know it a lot. That's not, he's not
Turn
Mexican.
left at East Internet Avenue.
But he speak Latin. You speak, yeah.
Thanks, guys. Thank God. I know, mate.
He said, thank God.
Gringos don't like
Why you don't like Mexicans?
I live in.
No. He says the gringos, the white, don't like Mexicans right now. He says.
They don't like nobody.
They don't like nobody.
They don't like nobody.
I live in the south.
They don't want none of us. Oh, thank you. That's so sweet. Thank you.
Turn right on
What
South
do you say?
Chestnut. Then drop off at
Oh, thank you. That's so sweet. Oh, on the corner? Oh, thank you. Thank you guys. Take care. I appreciate it. Appreciate you guys. Thank you. So there's a button under the handle and you push it inward. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much.
Gracias.
You say I'm okay. Thank you guys. Take care. Gracias. Thank you. Uh-oh. Uh-uh. Okay. That's
the next day.
Okay, I received $40 on that ride, which gave me $57 for the total ride for about 11 miles. So that was it, guys. And I had another $10 from an earlier ride. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will see you on the next video. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. What should I talk about a smile?